Welcome back to B&B Blonde and Brunette. I'm Eva Garcia, your starting host for today. We kick off this morning with exhilarating news about the small yet big peroxisomes discovered in 1967 by Christian de Duve. Peroxisomes are found in the cytoplasm, usually near the mitochondria and the chloroplast. This is due to the mitochondria and the chloroplast helping out the peroxisomes in some of its many metabolic functions. Peroxisomes have enzymes that remove hydrogen atoms from various substrates to transfer them to oxygen to produce hydrogen peroxide, thus giving it its name, the peroxisome. As said in the AP Campbell Biology Edition textbook written by Jane B. Rees, alongside a few others, peroxisomes also contain enzymes that can take hydrogen peroxide into water. For this, you can thank them for detoxifying the alcohol as well as other harmful compounds in your liver. Unfortunately, some aren't this lucky. Those who have a peroxisomal disorder gained through heredity by defect of the X chromosome have missing peroxisomes or dysfunctional peroxisomes. According to the Florida State University, peroxisomes and lysosomes are quite similar in appearance, although they come from very different origins. Lysosomes tend to be formed in another cellular organelle known as a Golgi complex, while the peroxisomes self-replicate. Although this does not conclude that they relate to each other in some way, scientists thought it was quite intriguing to find out the resemblance between these two organelles. Even if they do come across from each other, it would be like looking through a mirror. I have just received news that Isabella Lopez will be informing us more about another cellular organelle. I'm Eva Garcia from B&B signing off.
Something that has been brought to our attention is the accumulation of mitochondrial DNA can lead to an acceleration of normal aging. This leads to the oxidative nuclear damage of DNA, which can then cause an impairment to gene transcription. This is said by the ANNALS of neurology. In other news about the effects of mitochondria, there are mitochondrial diseases. They are only present in 2% of patients with type 2 diabetes, but be aware. These diseases can have a hypermetabolism. It may seem like a dream, but it isn't all as it seems. Patients with conditions like these can consume anywhere from 3,000 to 3,500 calories a day and still feel hungry. Symptoms are excessive thinness, thirst, and once again, hypermetabolism. The cause of this is the mitochondria having an almost absent rate of respiratory adjustment. But enough about the negatives. Mitochondria are one of the most important organelles in the cell, since they produce the energy for the cell, which in turn produces energy for your body. So don't let this little inconvenience to a small percent of people influence your perspective on how important it really is. See you next time, folks, on Random Lectures of the Day.